This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Burkhart. Second flooring condo with impact windows and sliding glass door on balcony. Nice view of the golf course. Laminate flooring in living area, tile on balcony and carpet in bedrooms. Bathroom has been updated with bath fitter shower plus updated vanity. Master suite with walk-in closet. Master bedroom, second bedroom, dining area and porch all furnished. Across the street is a garden sitting area for you to relax and enjoy the surroundings. Convenient location to put in green, shuffleboard, pool, clubhouse that has a workshop, library, ping pong / billiard room, Wi-Fi at main clubhouse. Second clubhouse has access to the St Lucie River and 2 fishing piers. Kayak / canoe storage area upon availability. Unlimited golf included. Water, sewer, basic cable included, even hot water. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Burkhart at 772-219-1111.